Experiencing a lack of heat in your car? For internal combustion engine vehicles, the most common reasons are a faulty thermostat, low or contaminated coolant, air trapped in the cooling system, or a blocked heater core. A malfunctioning thermostat prevents the engine from warming up properly. Low coolant levels or contamination hinder heat transfer to the heater core. Air pockets in the system can trap heat, preventing proper circulation. Clogged heater cores stop coolant from flowing into the cabin. In electric vehicles, issues often involve battery drain in cold weather or heat pump inefficiencies. Regular maintenance prevents most issues. Consult a mechanic if problems persist. Start by checking your coolant level in the reservoir. Make sure it's between the minimum and maximum marks and not contaminated. Low or dirty coolant prevents proper heat transfer to the cabin. If the coolant level looks good, inspect the thermostat for signs of wear or failure. An old thermostat may show rust or residue, indicating it needs replacement. For internal combustion engine cars, check that the engine temperature gauge rises to normal operating levels. If it stays unusually low, the thermostat is likely stuck open, preventing heat from reaching the heater core. Listen for the blower motor running when you turn on the fan. If there's no airflow, the blower motor resistor may have failed, controlling the fan speed. For electric vehicles, make sure your car has the latest software updates to optimize heat pump performance and prevent heating issues. If you suspect air in the cooling system, bleed the coolant system by opening the bleed screw to release trapped air bubbles that can block heat flow. If these quick fixes don't resolve the issue, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Consult a professional mechanic for further diagnosis. For electric vehicles, schedule maintenance to inspect battery health, especially before winter. Also, modern internal combustion engine cars with dual-zone climate control systems reduce heating failures by 25% through automated diagnostics.